Hello everyone, my name is Sayed and I work closely with Amazon sellers on a daily basis. I see sellers struggling not because they are lazy, but because Amazon selling has become complex, competitive and data driven. In this video, I will explain how Helium 10 works, what problem Amazon sellers faces, how Helium 10 helps solve those problems and whether it is actually worth buying or not. This video is simple, practical and based on real seller challenges. If you are an Amazon seller, you already know this feeling. You launch a product with hope, but sales don't come as expected, or sales come for a while and then suddenly drop. Most sellers struggle with choosing the wrong product, underestimating competition, using the wrong keywords, poor listings, wasting money on PPC ads, and not knowing what competitors are doing. Amazon does not clearly tell you which product will work, which keyword brings buyers, or why your competitor is winning. So sellers start guessing, and guessing costs money. This is where Helium 10 comes in. Helium 10 is all-in-one software for Amazon sellers. Instead of using multiple tools and spreadsheets, Helium 10 gives you everything in place. It helps you research products, find the right keywords, optimize listings, track competitors, and monitor your business. Helium 10 helps you make a database decisions, not emotional ones. One of the biggest reasons sellers fail is launching products without proper research. Helium 10 helps you understand, is there real demand? Is the competition too strong? Is the market already saturated? Instead of I think this will sell, you see actual numbers and trends. This alone can save you from launching the wrong product and losing money. Another big problem seller faces is ranking on the wrong keywords. Helium 10 helps you find keywords customers actually search for, keywords that bring sales, and keywords your competitors are ranking on. Also helps you optimize your listing so Amazon understands it and customer trust it. Better keywords plus better listings means better visibility and better conversions. Your competitor changes prices, run promotion, and optimize listing. Most sellers don't even know this. Helium 10 helps you track competitors so you never blind. It also helps you understand PPC performance and identify where money is being wasted. This helps sellers protect profit and make smart decisions. Inside Helium 10, you will find tools like Black Box for product research, X-ray for competitor analysis, Cerebro for reverse Asian keywords, Magnet for keyword discovery, and tools for listing optimization. You don't need to master everything at once. Even using a few tools properly can significantly improve your Amazon business. Now let's talk about pricing. Helium 10 has a different plans, but Platinum is the most popular for most sellers. If you are serious about selling in Amazon in 2025, this is the right time to invest. I am not here to force anyone. My goal is to keep sellers, avoid mistakes, and grow confidently. If you decide to buy Helium 10, you can use my link in the description. If you have a website soon where sellers can directly chat with me. Until then, you can contact me at team@shipsmarthub21.com. If you are unsure whether Helium 10 is right for you, just email me. I will guide you honestly. Amazon selling today is not about luck. It's about data, clarity, and smart decisions. Helium 10 won't magically make you successful, but it removes confusions and helps you move in the right decisions. Thank you for watching. Check the below link if you are interested, and I will see you in the next video.